Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you saw down in the title, this is another wash day combo. It has been 2 weeks since I washed my hair. I end up going back in with that My twisting butter to refresh my hair and do another twist out, and it just came out just nice again. And I was like, okay, that's it. It's time to wash these butters and oils out of my hair. I enjoyed that twisting cream. I really did. It left my hair nice and moisturized and everything. But it was time to wash everything out. So I wanted to go in with another one of my favorite shampoos, and I ended up going in with the Aveda Brilliant Shampoo. I have been using this shampoo for about a year and a half, and I really do like this shampoo. It does give my hair a nice deep cleanse, and it's supposed to restore the softness of your hair, which I do feel that my hair is soft when I'm using this shampoo here, and it gives your hair a great shine. That's the big reason why I like using this. But yeah, so I end up shampooing twice with the shampoo. The first time that I did shampoo, everything went fine. I shampooed. I was able to get in there and work the suds and not detangle but pull my hair apart like I usually like to do. If I can't run my fingers through to detangle, I usually like to pull my hair apart, which that is great. I like a shampoo like that. And it rinsed out nicely. It cleansed my hair within that first wash. But I wanted to go in the second time just to make sure. Like I said, I did have quite a bit of, the butters and oils in there. I said, let me go in for a second cleanse. And the second cleanse, it cleansed my hair really good too as well. I did notice that it was just a little more tangles or so in the hair, but I was still kind of able to pull it apart, but just had just a little bit of tangles, not like spider web tangles, but just a few tangles there. But anyway, my hair felt nice and clean, and my hair still felt nice and soft. So did enjoy that there. With this shampoo here, with your first lather, it may not lather up just that quickly. So when you're using this one here, make sure your hair is really wet, soaking wet. And then if not, then just add a splash of water to it and it'll start to lather up. um so yeah, this one here, this shampoo here, it is protein free. I didn't see any proteins or anything in this one, and like I said, it leaves my hair nice and soft and shiny. And it says that you can use this daily. I wouldn't use this daily. I probably would use it like maybe once a week or every other week. Yeah, that's the way I would use it. I wouldn't use it daily. But it does supposed to remove product buildup, so it is a good cleanser. All right, another good one. Okay, guys, so I ended up going in with a new deep conditioner. I got this deep conditioner after the new year. They had a great sale, and I've been eyeballing this this conditioner for the longest time. The reviews are good. I read some of the reviews, and it got really good reviews. It is the Nature's Little Secret Rose Hydrating Conditioner with Rose Water. This is for all hair types, and this is an 8-ounce jar, and it is silicone free and it is protein free as well. When I start to apply this conditioner to my hair, I felt the moisture. I applied it. I felt the slip. It did have slip, but I did put that splash of water on there, and it really did have a lot more slip to it as well. But I just felt just the tingles starting to melt out. I felt that the moisture, it was just melting in my hair nicely. This is a thick cream. It's very, very thick, but it's nice and creamy. It's like a creamy consistency. It wasn't too heavy, too thick or anything, but you felt that your hair was being nice and moisturized. It left my hair nice and moisturized, nice and hydrated. It was easy to glide on my hair. It didn't make my hair feel coated or anything. It rinsed out nicely. I just love the way it feel. The smell, it did have like a nice smell. It's like a it's like a little a sweet kind of smell there. It's not like really rose or anything. Kind of hard. But yeah, it had a nice smell. It's a pleasant smell. It's not overwhelming or anything. It was like, okay, I saw the word rose on here and I was like, I don't like any kind of scents that smell like rose. But this one smelled nice and pleasant. I like the way this one smell. It doesn't linger or anything. Just give your just a nice scent. This conditioner here, it does have, it says I think the rose water supposed to be like vitamin A, B, C, and E. So I guess it's supposed to help with healthy, just keeping your hair nice and healthy. Um, you can use this conditioner as a rinse out conditioner. You can use it as a regular conditioner. I think it said for like 5 to 10 minutes. And you also can use it with your steamer for about 20 minutes. I can't wait to try it with my steamer. I'm sure that's gonna really give me lots of moisture. But I end up using this as for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I did use my heat cap here. Yeah, I got out the tub, went downstairs. I actually started my dinner, so that's why I went downstairs. But yeah, use my heat cap, and once I did take my heat cap off, my hair felt so nice and moisturized. I was like, "Ooh, that felt really, really good." It didn't, like I said, it didn't leave my hair coated or anything. It didn't feel all buttery once I rinsed it out. It felt nice, hydrated, and moisturized. Um, yes, this one here, yeah, this is one that you guys gotta try this one here. But it's not sponsored or anything. I'm just saying that I really did like it. This was my first time using it. I will use it a couple more times, but just by using it this one time, I was like, yeah, really like wow, hydration. That's what I wanted. That's what I needed. But after I've rinsed this deep conditioner out, I did end up going in with the leave-in, and I like to go in with a leave-in just to give it just a little bit more moisture, just in case whatever styler I use, it doesn't give it that moisture that I wanted to have to last the whole week. So I just went in with a pea size of my Kinky Curly leave-in, just a pea size, and of course you know this gives you lots of moisture and lots of slip too as well. But anyway, that's it. I had a great wash day. I enjoyed that combo. It gave me lots of moisture. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good one.